A guardianship proceeding does not end until a judge says it ends. Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I'm a guardianship, elder law, and probate attorney. So a big part of my practice is getting court-appointed work in the area of guardianship. And I have a case that reached a certain point, and we had a court proceeding about it this week. I'll explain. There was an incapacitated person that was appointed a guardian. Now, the incapacitated person, after several years, passed away. The guardian had to prepare and submit to the court a final accounting, and the guardian did do that. However, when that was filed, it was submitted to the court just like you would submit a, say, a tax return or any other document that needs to be filed. However, in Article 81, the mental hygiene law, a final accounting has to be filed by motion. Motion is a particular method to serve legal documents. People that had been involved in the case are required to get notice, and they need to get it by notice of motion. After filing the motion, after filing the final accounting, but before a motion could be filed, the guardian himself passed away. So the incapacitated person passed away, then the guardian submitted a final accounting, and then the guardian passed away. But the guardian had not had the time to, I don't know if it was time or inclination, or just ran out of time to file the final account by motion. So the matter still remains open in the eyes of the court. There's still some money in the guardianship account that the guardian has to get to heirs of the incapacitated person. There may be some bills to pay. There's a bond that needs to be terminated at this point. So we need court permission to do all of that. So I was appointed referee in the case to hear, to review and report on the final accounting. So once I undertake that task and complete it and submit it to the court, then, and only then, upon judicial decree, will the matter be, will the guardianship be terminated. If you have a guardianship proceeding, please reach out to frankbrunolaw.com.